Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can adjust the ISO value on the DJI Flip FLY MORE. So to start, you will need to launch the camera view on your remote controller or from the DJI Fly app. Now put your camera in the Pro mode by tapping on this icon here. Tap at the camera parameters after that, and here you can change the ISO value of your drone's camera and manually set it to whatever value you, fancy. Just make sure that the camera is switched to the Pro mode here. The same goes for the video as well, I guess. So video, then Pro mode, and then here tap on those parameters and adjust them. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.